Today we are going to practice drawing nets of square pyramids. Now today, the whole day, we will be practicing drawing square pyramid nets. But moving forward, you will want to make sure that the very first thing you do is determine what figure you will be drawing a net for. This will help you determine how many faces there are on your figure, which allows you to better draw your net to make sure you account for all faces. Now, right now, like I said, we are drawing a square pyramid. So I know that I've got that base, which is 1. And since it's a square, it's going to have 4 lateral faces, giving me a total of 5 faces that I need to account for in my net drawing. That means that I have edges 8 and 5 vertices. Okay, so when I have a net of a pyramid, I always start with that base and I draw that first, and I draw that shape first. From there, coming off the base, I just draw my triangles however many sides there are. So because there are 4 sides to a square, I have 4 triangles coming off of it. Now, sometimes the dimensions of my triangles will be slightly different. So they're not always the same, but you will have 4 triangles if you have a square base. From there, you take a look at your 3D drawing. I see that this is a 7, so that side of my square. So because that is 7 and it's a square, all of these will be 7s. And then I only have one height here for a triangle, so that tells me that's the height of all of my triangles. So all of these will be 10. So let's try drawing one together. Down here, we've got another square pyramid, like I said. The edges, again, we have 8 faces, we have 5, and we have 5 vertices. Again, I want to start with my base, which is a square. And then I open it up. I think of it like a flower. I open it up, and I've got a triangle here, 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 and here. Now you could attach like this triangle here to that tip if you want. I think that makes it a little more complicated. So this is how I like to do it. All right, from there, I know that this is 6, so that means this is 6. I've only got one dimension, so that tells me that this is a square rather than a rectangle. We could have a rectangular pyramid as well. And then once again, we only have one dimension here, so that means that it's 11 4/10 as all of my triangle heights. And there you have your net of a pyramid.